Hi, Corey here, and I want to talk about Janolink's auto scrubbers. We carry everything from electric type and battery type. Right here, you've got your little convenient 14-inch auto scrubber. That's a battery type there. And then we've got an electric type. This is an 18-inch auto scrubber, a little bit cheaper than your battery types, and it does the job really well. And then we've got both of our 20-inch battery type auto scrubbers. And in the video today, we're actually going to show you how this one works.